Walker Signature Tape is on the cutting edge of adhesive tape technology. We worked for years to make a tape that improved upon Ultra Hold, and we've finally done it. Walker Signature Tape is the thinnest 4+ week tape on the market, coming in at only 6.5 mils thick. Most 4+ week tapes are almost double that. We also gave it a very dull finish. The winning combination of thin and dull makes this tape basically invisible under the unit. This tape does stretch, so be sure to avoid touching the adhesive when working with this tape. Because the adhesive used on this tape is so strong, less of it is needed to provide a secure, long-lasting hold. That makes it quick and easy to clean up during the removal process. To use this tape, simply remove the liner on one side of the tape and attach it to the unit. Remove the other liner and place it on the scalp. Press firmly to secure. Be sure to inform your client to wait for at least 24 hours to swim, shower, or work out after installation to ensure the strongest, long-lasting hold. Walker Signature Tape is available in all standard shapes and sizes, including rolls, contours, and straight strips. It is best removed with Walker Signature Remover. To find more information on Walker Signature Tape and place your order, visit our website at walkertapeco.com.